Recovering after a miscarriage can be a very emotional and physically tiring time. Your body has been through sudden changes and needs extra care to heal. Drinking enough water is important for your body to recover and stay energized. It helps replace fluids you may have lost and supports healthy digestion. Staying hydrated can also reduce tiredness and headaches. Try sipping water throughout the day, even if you do not feel very thirsty. Including iron-rich foods such as spinach can help your body regain strength after blood loss. Iron supports healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen and boost your energy. Spinach is easy to add to soups, salads, or smoothies. Eating it with vitamin C foods helps your body absorb the iron better. Try to include iron-rich foods in your meals every day for steady recovery. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which helps your body heal and absorb iron more effectively. Their natural sweetness makes them easy to enjoy in smoothies. Eating vitamin C foods can support your immune system. Try adding strawberries to your meals to boost your recovery. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps your body heal and supports your immune system. Their refreshing taste makes them easy to enjoy as a snack or in fresh juice. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from other foods. Adding oranges to your daily diet can support a smoother recovery. Yogurt is a great source of protein that helps your body repair tissues and regain strength. It is gentle on the stomach and easy to eat when your appetite is low. Protein also helps keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Adding yogurt to your meals or snacks can support your recovery in a comforting way. Warm meals such as soups can soothe your body and help you feel more relaxed during recovery. They are easy to digest and gentle on your stomach. Soups also provide hydration and important nutrients in one comforting bowl. Eggs are a good source of iron that can help your body rebuild strength after blood loss. They also provide protein, which supports healing and energy. Eggs are easy to prepare in many ways, making them a simple addition to your meals. Including iron-rich foods like eggs can support a smoother recovery. Fish is an excellent source of protein that helps repair tissues and maintain energy during recovery. It also contains healthy fats that support overall health and healing. Lightly cooked or steamed fish is easy to digest and gentle on the stomach. Including fish in your meals can strengthen your body after a miscarriage. Nutriblast boric acid vaginal suppositories can help maintain vaginal health and prevent infections during the recovery period. Keeping the vaginal area healthy may support overall comfort and healing. Using them as directed can be a gentle way to protect your body while it recovers. With the right eating habits, you can support recovery after a miscarriage.